Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Mercedes Sprinter Luton body 2016, and what we've installed on this vehicle is what's called the Starline S9 smart alarm system. Now the way this system works is it's linked to your phone, and also you get this tag with you. The vehicle is fully immobilized, so you cannot drive the vehicle if you don't have this tag with you. And also we would additionally install these glass brake sensors. Now I'm going to show you how the glass brake sensors work first. So if someone were to just hit the glass normally, as you can see, the system's armed and obviously it won't say off. But if they use this actual tool to damage the glass, as you can see, the moment you hit the glass with a tool, with the high frequency tool, it sets the alarm off. So, and what will happen now is the system will now call you because it's linked to your phone. So as you can see, the system's calling me. So if I just put that through,
auxiliary sensor activated.
you can see it says auxiliary sensor has been set off. Okay, so that was the glass brake sensors. So I'm going to show you the other aspect of this system. So what this system also does, it fully immobilizes your vehicle if this tag is not detected. So this is a special tag you get with the system. This tag is disabled at the moment, so if you don't have this tag with you, and let's say someone were to get hold of your keys, or they copy your key frequency, you know, they relay it back to your car to unlock your door, or they even break your glass like you saw before, what will happen is it will set the alarm off. So the moment a thief unlocks your vehicle, after a few seconds, as you can see, the alarm goes off and your hazards go off as for your indicator lights. And when they get in to try and start the vehicle, as you can see, I'm turning the key, the car will not start. It's fully immobilized as well. And also additionally, what's going to happen is the system is going to call you, so it's linked to your phone as well. So as you can see, the system's calling me.
Door open. The car's ignition is on.
As you can hear, it said the door's open and the ignition has been turned on by a thief or someone trying to steal your car. Yeah, so it's fully linked to your phone. So you need the special tag with you to be able to start the vehicle. So I'm just going to get that tag now. Okay, so now I got the active tag with me. So this is the working tag. So what will happen is if the alarm goes off, you can disarm it with the tag, or otherwise it's fully hands-free, and you don't need to press anything when you get in the vehicle. The only reason you need to press the button on this is to disarm the alarm in the event it goes off. So now I got the tag with me, and now I can start the vehicle as normal. You can see the car starts as normal. So yeah, you need that tag with you when you get in the vehicle, otherwise the vehicle will not start. So I'm just going to show you a bit of the smartphone app you get with this Starline S9 system. So as you can see on here, it shows you what's recently happened on the car. So as you can see, we opened the door before, and now it's obviously updated to show you it's detected the tag now, and yeah, so it shows the door has been opened. The door is a little bit open. Yeah, you can control the alarm system from here as well. So you can lock and unlock the alarm, and you can also put into service mode, so in case you take it to garage, and also you got various other functionalities with the system. And also you do have various sensors on here that you can configure. Let me just show you that. So you got stuff like motion sensor. So this is in the event someone were to lift your vehicle or tow it away. Any movement like that will affect the alarm system, and you can literally customize it to how sensitive you want the alarm to be. You got the tilt sensor. So if someone were to tilt the vehicle to, I don't know, take the wheels, sorry, if they want to take the wheels or something like that, it will set it off. You also got shock sensor warning. So if someone hits the car very hard, it will set off a quick warn away sensor. Yeah, so this system is fully customizable. You can link several phones to the system, so in the event that you don't pick it up, it will go call someone else as well. You can do that as well. Gives you full status of the vehicle, shows the battery voltage, the mileage and all that, obviously vehicle dependent. So yeah, if you want this smart alarm system installed on your vehicle to protect you from these modern day car thieves, give us a shout on 0208 554 5554. Or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill, IG2 638, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos, guys. We've got lots of videos with different cars, even with the brand new 2022 cars coming, and obviously you can see what we can put on them. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you later.